my dear students. So how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So today we are going to start fraction. So actually the first part of this already be completed. So this is the second part. Okay, right now we make the third part, fourth part like that. And the student who are in grade 5, I think, yeah, 5, 6, 7. Okay, fraction is common for all of them. So this is for all of them. So in last class, means last video, what we discussed, what is fraction, what are the types of fraction, that already we understand. Okay, hope if you not watch that video now, so there is the link. Please go through that link and watch that video first. Now in today's part, what we are going to do, we are going to learn compare of fraction. Okay, how to do the compare of fraction. Then we learn about the how to make the equivalent fraction, and next class we discuss about the operation of fraction like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So come. So today we are going to learn compare of fraction. Compare fraction. Yeah. So already all of you know what is like fraction, unlike fraction. Suppose that here I am writing one example, 3 by 4 or 6 by 4. So this is example of like fraction na? So yes. So when you get the like fraction, it's very easy. Just check. 3 by 4, 6 by 4. So this is like fraction. So greater number is this one. It means this one is greater. Very easy na? Suppose that one more example. 5 by 9 or just take 11 by 9. Now which one is greater? This is like fraction. So we check the numerator. So your numerator is 5, your numerator is 11. So it means 11 is greater. So we write 11 is greater. Very easy na? When you get here, like this one, when you get numerator equal, like see, 6 by 8 and 6 by 9. What is the difference here? Last time that is the like fraction. Like fraction is what? Numerator should be equal. But here numerator are different. But denominator is same. So in this case what happened? A smaller number have the greater value. Just opposite. See here 8 or 9. But 8 is greater. So we write like this. Okay. So these two concepts you have to keep in mind. Okay. Sir, but have the lots of confusion, sir. So for all that confusion, there is only one solution. What? Butterfly method. Okay. So butterfly method, if you know the butterfly method, so that is same for everywhere. If you not remember what is this, you can go like that. So we make the butterfly method. So what is the butterfly method? Suppose that this 3 by 8, 4 by 7. Okay. See here, not numerator is same, not denominator is same. Okay, means it is the example of unlike fraction. So here what we will do, first we make the butterfly. How we make the butterfly, my dear student? So we make like this, we make like this. Okay, now this become butterfly like that. Look like butterfly? Yes, little bit. So first we multiply here 3 times 7. So and here we write on the top. Always start with the top, not start with bottom. Many students start with bottom, that is wrong. So here 3 times 7, so that is 21. Now 8 times 4, so that is 32. Now we have to check this number, 21 and 32. Which one is greater? 21 or 32 is greater? Sir, obviously 32 is greater. So we can write here 3 by 8 is smaller than 4 by 7. Okay, this is the mouth of crocodile. It always open on the bigger side. So this is the bigger, so we write here. Hope you understand. Now we practice 2 more questions. Now here, see, 3 by 8 or 7 by 9. Okay, just make it 30. Okay, just take big number. So first what we do, make butterfly method. Initially you can write like that. Once you practice more, it's very easy. You can understand that this we have to multiply this. Now 13 times 9. So we write here 117. Now here 8 times 7, that is 56. Now tell me which one is greater, this or this? Obviously 117 is greater. So we write here 13 by 8 is greater than 7 by 9. Crocodile mouth. Okay. So this concept is applicable in grade 5, 6, 7. So once you understand this concept now, so this is for 3 years. You study 1 year and that is applicable for next 3 years. So hope you understand about that, how to compare the fraction. Okay. One more time we take, what we can take here, mixed fraction. So how we compare the mixed fraction. So here 3 4 by 8 and 2 1 by 5. Now there is a two scenario. First we have to check the whole number. So here whole number is 3, here whole number is 2. So if whole number is 3, it means what? This is greater. But sometimes what happens? We write here 3 4 by 8 and 3 1 by 8. Now both are 3 3. Then how can we compare? So we compare only this one. So we write here 4 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now you can check. This is the like fraction, obviously 4 is greater. So we write here 4. So it means what? 3 4 by 8 is greater than 3 1 by 8. Understand? Otherwise you can convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction and then we do this. Okay? So I think this is very clear for all of my students. Yes. So today first topic what we learn, how to compare the fraction. So you can go through your textbook, there are the many questions how to compare the fraction. You can practice from there. Okay. Now we coming to the next point, equivalent fraction. What is the next topic? Equivalent fraction. Yeah. So equivalent fraction what means? See, fraction number are different but value is same. So that is called equivalent fraction. I am giving one example. Suppose that your mama order one pizza. Okay. This time your mama divide into 4 part and give you 1 part. So what is the fraction here? 1 by 4. Total 4 part, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write here 4. And 1 part that you are going to eat. So we write 1 by 4. But we start crying, no, I want more. But your mama is so smart. What she did? They just divide the pizza into 8 part and say, see, I am giving the 2 part. This 2 part. So here see, 2 part I shaded. But total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, sorry, I write wrong. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total is 8. So now tell me here, what you are getting previous one or like, you are getting the same one, no? You are getting here also only this much. And here you also getting the this much only. Okay, just try to understand. Yeah, so here almost same. So here what I'm trying to say, see, number are different, but these both have the same value. What is the? This is the same value. You can check here. 1 by 4, 2 by 8. You can go with butterfly method. 1 into 8, 8 and 4 into 2, 8. Both are equal now. So this is called equivalent fraction. So in equivalent fraction what happens? Number are different. Digit are different. See, it look double. 1, 2, 4, 8. But still their value is same. Now sir, how can we write the equivalent fraction? So that's I'm going to explain. Any fraction. What I write here? Any fraction. If I'm talking about fraction, it means what? One part that is called numerator, other part that is called denominator. Okay? Numerator and denominator. So if any fraction is multiply or divide by same number, then we get equivalent fraction. Yeah. So what I write here, any fraction. So I'm writing any fraction 3 by 8. Sorry, 2 by 8. Okay. Is either multiply or divide. Not addition, not subtraction. Please, no need to confuse here. Here what? Either multiply or either divide. So see, if you multiply with here any number, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. So I'm taking here 5. So both number like 2, 8. So both should be multiplied. If you multiply only numerator or either you multiply only denominator, that will not work. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So here 2 times 5. So what we get here? 10. And 8 times 5, what we get here? 40. So it means what? 2 by 8 and 10 by 40 have the equivalent fraction. Means it have the same value. Okay. Another example. Suppose that I want another example. So we write here 2 by 8 and this time we multiply 3. So 3 times 2 that is 6. 8 times 3 that is 24. This is also equivalent fraction. Okay. So in this way we can find the equivalent fraction. Sir, can you give me any example of division? Yes. Suppose that here 12 by 80. We divide with 6. But both numerator and denominator both should be divided. So it come 2, it come 3. It means what? 2 by 3 and 12 by 8 both have the equal value. So these are the equivalent fraction. So again I am saying, how can you find the equivalent fraction? So by either multiplying or dividing with same number. See, we are dividing with same number now. Last time we multiplied with same number. So in this way we find the equivalent fraction. Okay. But then in our textbook, which type of question we get? They give one fraction. See, suppose that 2 by 8. And write this fraction as denominator 16. Okay. So there this is fraction and we have to write the new fraction. Their value is equal to this fraction, but their denominator should be 16. So we write here 2 by 8 and here we require to use 16. Now check, 8 becomes 16. How the 8 becomes 16? Sir, when we multiply with 2. So here we multiply with 2. So for making this equivalent, numerator also multiply with 2. Now 2 times 2, that is 4. So our answer is what? 4 by 16. So this is the concept of equivalent fraction. So in first part we learn definition of fraction and types of fraction. Today what we learn? How to compare the fraction and how we write the equivalent fraction. Next class we learn the operation of fraction. Next 1-2 class we can finish this chapter. So the student who are in grade 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kindly watch this video and share with your friend. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. We meet in the next one. Bye.